Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce these famous phrases that you say to call the Google Assistant, but in French. So how do you do that if you have a French device, a French smartphone, for example? We'll be looking at how to say more interesting French vocabulary and names, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say this, and how do you say Google even in French? Google is said Google. Google is how we say it in French. Google. Okay, Google. Okay is how we say okay. And because that's how you call it, you don't say, hey Google, but rather, okay Google. Okay Google is how you call for the Google Assistant. Okay Google, rather than hey Google. And now you know more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.